Hi, today, just to do something different, I'm gonna try an out-of-the-box picking of a standard lock. This is my victim, I hope. It's the same lock I sent to some friends and they said it was a nice lock, and also it was in my chain of lock. It was the smaller one. So I picked up this at the supermarket and let's see what we can do. So first thing first, let's get it out of its box. I know I'm not very good with sharp objects, but okay. Here we have our lock. This is the bitting, you see. I think it's pretty good for a standard lock. Let's see if it works. Perfectly. Not very strong spring and almost 90-degree turn. Let me see this again. Okay. Let's see what we can do. Now it's closed. Let's put it in the vise and start this adventure. Now, let me see if this is right. More or less, yeah. Okay. Now, let's try some of my tensioners to see which one fits. Nope. Let's try the smallest one. Not very good, because this is more like a curve, so this doesn't fit very well. I don't know if I can make it from here. So, plan B. Let's grab some traditional bottom of the key. Maybe this one, but not very convinced. Now, if I have something different, unfortunately I don't have. So let's try this one. We'll try also my basic pick. Let's see. Let me fit this. Okay. Already thinking it's a 24,000 pick, so I don't think it's gonna make it. It's dragging so much inside. I hear some clickings, but I don't feel very well, because I have no feedback from the lock, because it's I turn it a little, it's very tight for this pick. Let's try a smaller one, 18,000 of an inch. That's a little better. Just a little. enough. There's enough hook in this, so plan B, I'm gonna use some of the SS dev hook and maybe the 15,000 too. So let's start from the beginning. Now I feel I can reach better the pin. Let's try something a little more delicate. I think I overset, recock it. Let's try again. Definitely feeling better the beans. And voila, we have it. Wow, long battle, but win it. Thanks to the SFDev 15,000 pick. This was a security 50 millimeters. The brand you can find this is, sorry, in the Carrefour market in Italy. And this is my stock lock. See you!